In this video, I am going to discuss about how to design XS3 to BCD code converter. Code converter is a combinational circuit which is used to convert one form of code to another form. First, let's see about BCD code, or otherwise we can call 8421 code. BCD code is an abbreviation of binary coded decimal. That is a coding scheme relating decimal and binary numbers. And this BCD is a type of binary code is used to represent a given decimal number in an equivalent binary form. The BCD equivalent of a decimal number is returned by replacing each decimal digit in an integer and fractional parts with its 4-bit binary equivalent. In general, BCD codes are also called 8421 code. This is because 8, 4, 2 and 1 are the weight of the 4 bits of the BCD code. Next, BCD code. How we can represent the BCD code? In this code, decimal digits 0 to 9 are represented by their binary equivalents using 4 bits individually. For example, the decimal number 429 is expressed in BCD form. Each decimal number is represented by equivalent 4-bit binary number. So 9 is represented by 1004 and 2 is represented by 0010 and 4 is represented by 0100. So the lowest BCD digit is 0 and the highest BCD digit is 9. So this is the truth table for decimal digit and the BCD equivalent. So the 0 to 9 combinations are used for the BCD code. So in this BCD code, 10 to 15, the total 6 combinations are there. This 10 to 15 combinations are the invalid code. The XS3 code is represented as XS3 code. It is a non-weighted and self-complementary code. This code is mainly used for arithmetic operations and it resolves the deficiencies encountered in the BCD code. Generally, the XS3 code is obtained by adding 3 to each decimal digit. And then we write the 4-bit binary number for each digit of the decimal number. XS3 code have self-complementary property. That means a binary code is a code which is always complemented in itself. How we can obtain self-complementary property is first we have to take one's complement of the given number. For example, we are taken the decimal 5 in XS3. Now we are taking one's complement of this number, that is 0111, which is the XS3 code of 9's complement of 5. That is 9 minus 5 is 4. So if you are taking one's complement of any number, that will give in 9's complement of that number. This property is called self-complementary property. Then the XS3 code has 6 invalid states. The 6 invalid states are 0, 1, 2, 13, 14 and 15. This code is very much useful for performing subtraction. This is the truth table for XS3 to BCD code converter. In this XS3 code, the don't care combinations are 0, 1, 2, 13, 14 and 15 because 0, 1 and 2 is not present in the XS3 input. Similarly, 13, 14, 15 is not present in the XS3 code for the 4-bit input conditions. So we are using this don't care combinations in the KMAP to simplify the expressions. The XS3 inputs are considered as A, B, C and D, and the BCD outputs are represented as B3, B2, B1 and B0. From the truth table, we can get the sum of product terms for the four outputs B3, B2, B1 and B0. And the don't care is represented for each output. This is the sum of minterm expression for output B3. The sum of minterms are 11 and 12 and the don't cares are 0, 1, 2 and 13, 14, 15. Now we are placing the don't care terms and minterms into the four variable K-map. So now this one is grouped along with these four cells and this one is grouped with this don't care. So it's a two cell grouping and this is a four cell grouping. So the answer for this combination is the common between these two is A and here CD. A, CD is an answer. Now the common between the expression for this red color grouping is AP. This is the sum of minterm expression for B2 and we are placing the ones into the corresponding cells. Now these two ones are grouped along with this don't cares. So it's making four cell combinations. And this one is grouping along with this don't care. So and two cell grouping is formed and same way this one is grouping with this X. So another two cell grouping is formed. So the output expression is for this combinations the common between this cell and this cell is B bar and the common between these two is C bar. And similarly the output expression for this is the common between these two terms is B C D. Similarly the common between these two terms is A C D bar. So this is the logical expressions for P2. This is the sum of minterm expression for a B1 output and we are placing the 1 and don't care in the cells. So we are making two four cells grouping. This is one four cell grouping and this is another four cell grouping. So the output expression at this point is C bar D and this point is C D bar. So this is the logical expression for B1. This is the sum of minterm expressions for output B0 and now we are placing 1 to the corresponding cells. Now these four ones and these four cells are grouping into 8 cell grouping. So the common between these two terms is D bar. So the B0 output is D0. So this is the logic diagram for the four outputs B0, B1, B2 and B3. Thank you.